Let's go to part 3, number 2. Solve 2 times 5 to the x plus 1's power equals 1 plus 3 over 5 to the x power. Show your answer in the form a plus log base 5 of b greater than 0. First step, we need to get rid of this denominator by multiplying 5 to the x power for every single term. We will get 2 times 5, add exponents, 2x plus 1 equals 5 to the x power plus 3. It's so clear that this is a quadratic pattern equation because we can make this pattern a times 5 to the x power square plus b times 5 to the x power plus c equals 0. So move everything to the left side. We will get the 2 times 5 to the 2x power times 5 to the first power minus 5 to the x power minus 3 equals 0. 2 times 5 is 10 times 5 to the x power square minus 5 to the x power minus 3 equals 0. Then we will make 5 to the x power equals a. We will get 10a squared minus a minus 3 equals 0. Then ninja x, negative 30, negative 1 over 10 over 10. Factor negative 6, 5, reduce 1 over 2. Negative 3 over 5. This is a, this is a. Bottom up. 10a squared minus a minus 3 equals 0. 5a minus 3 times 2a plus 1 equals 0. So ay equals 3 over 5. a2 equals negative 1 over 2. Then we plug back in 5 to the x power equals 2 over 5. For this, 5 to the x power equals negative 1 over 2. Because b to the x power greater than 0, for b greater than 0 and b not equal to 1. No solution. For 5 to the x power equals 3 over 5, we will take log base 5 both sides. We will get x equals log base 5 of 3 over 5. Then expanding the log. Division of power, we subtract exponents. Log is exponent. Therefore, we will get the log base 5 of 3 minus log base 5 of 5 equals log base 5 of 3 minus 1. Since I'm looking for the answer in the form of a plus log base 5 of b, we can write down the answer like this: negative 1 plus log base 5 of 3. Part 4, solve the equation. It's very easy for us to say this is a quadratic pattern equation because we can change this into a times 2 to the x power squared plus b times 2 to the x power plus c equals 0 form. For 4 to the x power, that is 2 to the 2x power plus 2 to the x power times 2 to the second power. then minus 3 equals 0. For the quadratic pattern, you have to turn it into equal to 0 form. Then we will get the 2 to the x power square. 2 squared is 4, so plus 4 times 2 to the x power minus 3 equals 0. Let 2 to the x power equal a. So we have a squared plus 4a minus 3 equals 0. We cannot factor this quadratic equation. So we will use x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a to solve this quadratic equation. And for the coefficient a, b, c, a equals 1, b equals 4, c equals negative 3. Since the variable is a, we will write down a equals negative b is negative 4 plus or minus square root. B squared is 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 3 over 2 times 1. So we have negative 4 plus or minus square root. 4 squared is 16. Then negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. So plus or minus square root of 28. 28 we can write down 4 times 7. So plus or minus 2 square root of 7. 2 square root of 7 over 2. Reduce. You will get negative 2 plus or minus square root of 7. So we get a1 equals negative 2 plus square root of 7. a2 equals negative 2 minus square root of 7. Plug back in 2 to the x power equals negative 2 plus square root of 7. Then we will take log base 2 both sides. Negative 2 plus square root of 7 is a positive. So x equals log base 2 of negative 2 plus square root of 7. For a2, 2 to the x power equals negative 2 minus square root of 7. No solution. There is only one solution to this equation.